The House of Representatives on Wednesday don reveal plans to investigate how dem take use the multi-billion naira wey dem approve for the Conditional Cash Transfer Program from 2016 till now. The resolution bin pass after dem adopt motion wey Abbas Adigu sponsor wey tok say dem need to make sure say dem dey accountable for how public money dey used. The House also give the Joint Committee on Poverty Alleviation and Humanitarian Affairs the task to investigate why the payment no dey reach the people wey dem nominate for the Conditional Cash Transfer of Federal Government of Naija and make dem report wetin dem find within 4 weeks so dem go take the next legislative action.
That the Federal Government of Nigeria, in partnership with the World Bank, developed a social safety net program for the Nigeria in September 2016. The National Cash Transfer Office is responsible for the implementation of the Household Uplifting Program Conditional Cash Transfer that cater for the poor and vulnerable households across the country. Aware that the program was conceived as part of the federal government larger growth and social inclusion, studies to aim at addressing the key social concerns in the country. Cognizant that in order to ensure effective and efficient delivery of this program, in August 2024, nominees for the program were involved that they will be paid the sum of 50,000 naira each for 3 months. The details of this nominee were filled online in the portal dedicated for the program and thereafter submitted to the National Cash Transfer Office. Also cognizant that the payment was to be made directly to the nominee bank account nationwide and was aimed at cushioning the effect of the economic hardship of the nominee, who are mostly poor and vulnerable. Worried that months after the detail of these nominees has been filed and sent, nothing has been heard from the National Cash Transfer Office as regard payment to this nominee of this program.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Ekata Oji reporting for TMC TV.